What are you doing? What? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Let me see your fucking hands right now. Let me see your hands. What the fuck are you doing?
You're eating food. Shut the fuck up. You don't even talk to me like that.
What are you doing?
What is this place called? Talk with me or gone.
Water cup. You're gonna get tased if you don't get on the ground.
Excuse me, no.
Get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground.
Do it, you're gone. Sober and everything,
Step
you
it
will
up.
be gone.
Get back and get on the ground.
What's your name, Corporal? Right, excuse me, I have to eat.
Get back.
I'm gonna eat. Excuse
No, you're
me.
not.
You want to bet?
Do you want to bet? You have ID on you?
No, I don't.
What's your name?
Your name.
What's your name? Get back.
If you touch me again, you're
Touch me again, see what fucking happens.
okay.
Get back.
Touch me one more time and watch. Oh, okay.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. 5125 taste. Get down on the ground again. Get on the ground.
Turn around. Where's the gun?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Jesus.
Start. 5125, shots fired, shots fired. Get on your stuff. Yeah. Start medical. Code 3, shots fired. Are you okay? Are you okay? Stop. Where's my camera?
That's behind you. The both are behind you.
Are you okay?
Quit fighting with us. You understand? Do you understand? Let's get this other hand behind you.
Damn it! Damn it! Why did you do that?
What the hell are you doing?
You don't grab it, you don't do that!
Don't grab a gun. You understand that? You do what the cops tell you. I got this arm.
5125, stepping up, medical, code 3. Shots fired. Hey, stay with me, man. Hey!
Hey,
Man, stay with me!
come on. Hey,
Hey!
stay here, man.
Fuck, damn it. Why would you do that?
I don't know if you grab the gun, you got fucking tased, and
Where's the gun?
I got a taser over here. I mean, that might have been what it is.
That's my taser.
That's your taser?
You grab that out of my hand.
Okay.
Where's the gun though?
That's it, and that might have been what I saw. He got it in his hands, and then we got barbs and shit. He's grabbing for that.
I tased him. I tased him.
Right. Fucking flailing around. We got fireworks.
5125, we're in the men's bathroom. Hey!
Hey, stay with us, buddy. Okay? You got an ID or wallet on or something?
No, he reached into his pockets, grabbed some money, and then I tell him, what's your name? He says, your name. And then he keeps trying to get back. I'm saying, get back, get on the ground. I keep pushing him back with my left hand, and he's not wanting to get back.
Right.
And I think that's when you show up, back here. But
Alright, we're good.
right here.